Tuni. Number 8, no me nyina sa ye ni ma greed, hatred and aggression. And then greed ni di kanya minya we amenya say na hatred aba na aggression aye dey aba. Se ba sa dia triangle we mienu.
Ebujan for aha Ghana TV mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime video bit say we yeah the two ma usambe kebi. Ebujan for NPP presidential primaries no. One him say susum we are say there or hopa obi ka kiro say spirits do not exist and true. Enti ebra susum we are say wo ho nso there. Nkrofo bi nso wo ho a omo gifted to know whatever is happening in the spiritual realm. Ebimu stargazers, ebimu sorcerers, ebimu numerologists, amu de nabes, omu hu nabes na makikan boom, na omu de hu ne ebesi ni ensi. Na enu na Lawson TV for omu papa bi aye frɛ no ase agiman bibi. Na sa agiman no, abeka nsem ba ku mienu bi about NPP primaries. Me feel say very important. I say NPP for penny-for omu pay attention to. And he say, or see say NPP for oman shenema bakubi year about election. Na election on person omu yeno. And I say omu fa asumdwe eye election na oman share ya nipa baku wa ewo aspirants ni muno obewu. Yeah. See nipa baku among the aspirants no obewu. Say omu be election no eye ntokwa gidi mi ntimi ho ase o se etuo betu yeah na ebusanfo un say NPP no party of ideologies enye enti say NDC buga all of you fall in line and the NPP are very democratic enti most of the time no sometimes you be say adena NPP for mudi candidate back who call no adena mo say NDC for omunyi na better sa candidate chi whether we win or we lose you sande ne beba sa until we win but NPP for omunyi what yes sir every now and then they give equal opportunities for people who also want to contest to come and showcase themselves and they nya sembia but the current presidential primaries are NPP kono niam bebre cause why en twaye I say for year identity say you do or die affair even for party high opposition move party no opposition mu but still for it say a do or die affair no can no vote no way no vote any nyama nyina and bra kra me hu bibi say activate 50,000 body cameras and all those things ade no a game of ideas oko delegates no wa na ko ka wadwin kire omo ne opesa wo ye me ba me pesa me ma constituency bia 10 appointments say delegates no pe ombeto ama omo pe omo nto aba no ma but now if you want to go the threatening way and I say party no be go metete party no and all those things we be say in the end no emboa party no and ebinia you see ya hwe ya obebewu na nkofo 5 person contest Dr. Baumia Honorable Kennedy Japan Brand Champion Dr. Edochum and Kwabena Japan say even you lose your mobile kukra enye yi enya demaye enya asem ay be de enti media me gidi passes susun wiase wo na where buy asema buy no e say eya de bia MPP for at least we learn something from we meet. This is a time to unite. This is a time to have a common goal, a common objective. We are divided in terms of whom we support, but in the end, the loyalty, bia loyalty no e to osono no individual bia e osono no entina obi free party no mo kwa nso nka se medicine ne panechi esan se e osono no ena you are loyal to enti yemma sumdwe peace, let peace reign in the NPP. It's still a game of ideas, a contest of ideas. Let it be so that obian losing it in your life. Ebusan for the video is happening. I'll see you in the next one. I remain the voice. See you.
Number 8, no me nyina sa ye ni ma greed, hatred and aggression. And then greed ni di kanya minya we amenya say na hatred aba na aggression aye dey aba. Se ba sa dia triangle we mienu no emu beti say tin. Se sa ati na ni free ho. Na love Venus ni ayi ni nyina free ho no ma. Ebe ba be ye say. na Kwame ebe say ya 1 2 3 number 3 na ye hwan number esa ye Heket na say Heket take over ebra omo to primaries na obati se Kwame nipa ekun ha no etu obato na etu oni to anam say Heket no waduru ni 30th marker ompe akwada biem no one of the aspirants of NPP etu
na it does it be free atina no ba it depends on how if they conduct it peacefully say the whole kind and no crime no nipa obe winning no the possibility class obet be president
straight away
atina bet ya boana mana be president na say ankobasa na ekobai ekoye twema mentwe we bru we ni enia eno na this how to beto na wo kan be ba ekobasa so a Heket on the 30th how do we call it
30th prime preference
and the on demand
party ba
penny
obe fa
okay
aspirants
so that's the if clause okay
obe fa aspirants ni ba me afere what here aha eti NPP call the primaries unconsulted the goddess of Athena ni nyina ne say nyeso okofre no na emom what the suban papa enhira animonyam ya de atanie mam bibia ma na omo atimi akoyi omo aspirant no na se omo koyi presidential candidate me kira wo de Heket betimi aye na hu na kwan a obi apese okunu wiase bia betimi akunu Heket obi a wo pese okunu se wonya obi a ya training me te se me a me suro me hu esuro kama ene de daachi me funu beye ene de daachi ba wie ye beye na se wunim saa nim die we te sem na wo ye nipa boni ni a aye so aman bia be kum tamfo ba ko Heket no wo fra no anu oye eti mudi number 3 1992 ani NDC NPP no akosankambotu Heket na mo agya Athena ho now mo ko fa number papa 31st January 2026 NPP it means as above so below number 6 kama planet Venus be hwem so ba mo de yia ni hatred ni ade a triangle ni mo beti ebeba Heket ho oba Heket ho no mo de a presidential aspirants na o mo di animu no a ba ko betumi ade power no etu obeka no
okay Matthew no ase that's to the new patriotic party NPP for the no okay you move on
NDC they say almost so obukura 3
yeah
and obukura 8 now almost see breaking the 8 and an NPP can and mama see 8 ni na the head ekura me no and oji 8 no and odi winning power o winning power see ya pet and a Heket started taking over by demanding blood. One fan started film or they are started so. Wouldn't they say they oh almost so? I never back over woman say almost 3 way ni 8 way no. Ukabu abenya 11 which is 2 no ya papa na wo free so no. The numbers are kese mienu pa no. So they me chire no. Aye do mama ne number pa no 2 adoye akumapa odo eni ade se amuntu antimi ahunu saade no na omu ya omadwe se apere eba beba 2 okunwa very silent etu unu jabe omu sacrifice di omu anim na omu de ya ne se de yayi no wo mu na tumi no because bibia kura no kire se obetumi retain ni power amu akọ 8 no ono so enye violent nature because number 2 ntino otina konwa mu anu no I'm sorry be
enye violent nature
na ba sa president mama ni sunu so beti
so gadipa obe succeed no
the moment nyasi ato abayi no the moment
but everything points
bibia pointed to nipa no sika nyina bedi no bibia e kama ne ade no ono so I will hold 7 they say silent killer otina konwem
I don't remember na yesa number say go back again and this number no 3 and 8 meboa that is omo number omo ana okay kambo mu a
Mr. Freeman, you can't share your screen. You have less than 1,000 followers.
Oh, he has less than 1,000.
I can. I'm in the United States of America, so I can.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
There are
okay.
exceptions.
Yeah, we are exception. So,
Oh,
I don't know
what happened?
if you
Hold
can.
on.
Yes, you Bruce. Sir, who's Cadia? Maybe Piscam the Becassan. Omwa. Didn't you make us? Yes, you hear we pen obedi any other day. Yankano cray. Omwa Kura, Anglo Ashanti, my small cool. Bibri, no Mako, so many times. Ebia ye bia asisi stores near the day. Your boss near the other meboa. Yep. I know many. Sanka say here on what you say. I know why I na feed you when you ska. Sanka also jai. Babam that's way. And then I'm saying, Bibri, a kufu at the time. Anna, Emmy, yaste. NPP phone be but na say no more can say Mahama time galam say no sorry chain a time baby I send a nanny if you say for the time 2023
Very good.
2022 2023 forest ni bi ho if you say 2018 apambrama 2018 you can say NDC for need deforest 2018 apamprama omfiase okobro Sir John any papa be a friend Donald Entua Sir John we yes odim omne be forest no no obi a wonim bia obi a wote kobro bia be ka kire kobro obuso hene no ho no be ka kire omne soldiers ekobo ban 2018 and yes time Sir John the babontin so omo ye reclamation of forest no at that time no bia enkoye bibia o wa ye ko reclaim Mimi dear Chama coin, Echo and your reclamation on me, no too good. Our first Cassio, I knew any big general, a general bay and few bears, Mudim, almost Sano.
All right.
1 second.
Imperial, Sir Company, no, yeah. Actually,
Okay.
from Pomboate.
It will exhaust so many times. But what I wanted us to hear from the conversation was there was where he was saying that the biggest, trap or the biggest forest that was eaten thoroughly through the times of Galamsey in record time was during MPP time, and it looks like Kumasi. I don't know if somebody have heard this from him watching this interview. I took my time to watch from A to Z. He said the land is like the whole Kumasi. And it was during this MPP time. We've heard it clearly from him. And it said all the Galamsey side today that people are criticizing NDC for started from 2018 during MPP's time. He mentioned specifically, he said Akufo-Addo's time. In fact, it's okay. Let's continue.
Okay. All right. Please do. Does anyone have any rebuttal comment on this particular video? Please, do you want to comment on this video? Okay, let's have you. Let's have you.
Yes, you see, thank you very much. I am surprised when I think Kwabena Ebo asked Ghana Bantu, or who was that? Somebody asked Ghana Bantu, what is it that they are going to do differently to curb this menace? Because they campaign hugely, they politicize this Galamsey thing. So we are asking them.
It was asked by Nanamiki.
Nanamiki, good, thank you. So Ghana Bantu didn't answer. What is it that they are going to do differently? Not the Operation Galam Stop or this military doing this ABCD, those stuff. No, we've seen them. In fact, even Muhammad started burning excavators. That was since 2012 up to 2016. He started this excavator burning thing. What is it that is different? The Blue Water Guards, Akufo-Addo started it. It didn't wield resource. What is it differently that they have in stock that they are going to do to stop illegal mining? Please, they should tell us and stop all these things. Or what they are doing, okay, fine. Admitted that the NPP destroyed what you are talking about. NPP during NPP era. The reason why they voted out the New Patriotic Party and brought you guys in. 9 months down the lane, You have nothing to offer and you are here still talking this. Is this not hypocrisy? What is all this?
Thank you. Right, now let me bring in Anonymous. All right, thank you so much. Jay will not feel. Thank you. Anonymous, let's have you 1 minute.
Okay, so first of all, I would want to ask
Fight Galamsey and stop distance. Thank you.
Please don't interject again, please.
His network went up, so he didn't even know that we're not listening to him. I would like to ask Mr. Freeman, which date did Erasmus make this comment? What was the date that he made this comment? And I also want to remind him that there are videos. You can see that all this started at under
Please don't interject. Allow him. When he's done, I'll bring you in, please.
If you say all this started under Akufo-Addo, we have videos to prove an Atamios era, when Atamios was complaining bitterly about how the water bodies were being destroyed in 2010 and in 2011 before he unfortunately passed away. Now, under President Mahama, they even gave up on the Galamsey fight. So when you also come here, don't make it look like Galamsey started just 8 years ago. On the more serious note, the research has proven today that the turbidity of the water has gone worse than it used to be. So what are we saying right now?
Okay.
Under Akufo-Addo, that past 8 years, we didn't shut down water plants. But water plants were not shut down. In your 8 months today, in 8 years, we didn't shut water plants. In 8 months, we've shut down water plants. So what are you trying to say?
Okay, thank you. Right, now let me bring you in. Freeman to respond, please. Just a minute for that.
Okay. Fact. Since he has brought a subject matter on this conversation concerning the stability of the water, I would like to go there since he's already delved into that conversation.
You have just a minute.
Yes, I'm just going to name, because of due to time factor, I'm going to name only 3 rivers today that we've changed their stability during our tenure in this 6 months of excessive fight of Galamsey. Let me start with River Densu. River Densu in July 2024, the stability of the water was 256, and today, as I speak, per the records from the Mineral Commission, is 44. River Nsawam, July 2024, was 99, and today is 19. River Ankobra, today, as I speak, 2024, July, was 2024. And today, as I speak, sorry for the wrong figures, was 3,720. And today, as I speak, is 2,000.
People ask you to show us the data.
Oh, I can show it if they want me. Why?
Okay.
Because of time. You said because of time. I have 1 second. That's why I'm
just a minute. But this one is information. They are giving us information, so
yes. So from what I'm saying, I also copied it from the director of Ghana Good Board, which is Honorable Sami Jemfi, which he stated at Kojo Yangson's show on July on Joy News. I can play it right here so you can hear it from his own mouth. He said that because in his authority and his capacity as a Good Board manager, he can say that because he knows what he's saying. That was quoted from the Mineral Commission. Does he work with who?
With Ghana Water Company or Ghana Water Resource Commission or something. Let me get it.
If the conversation comes about Galamsey and we are talking about gold, who is the Good Board chairman? Isn't it Sami Jemfi?
But how can he directly report to us on the water? Where is he getting that result or that data from? I mean,
it was shared from the Mineral
Mr.
Commission.
Freeman, I actually shared a video. I don't know if you said it's not an interjection. Just
okay. Continue.
The EPA in partnership with the UK government and one other agency for the past 6 months have done turbidity checks. We actually published the one that the NPP have run to town with of River Yensu. That was the only river with increased turbidity. And then they ignore the very numerous ones where turbidity have increased, have improved reasonably. The data is on the Erastus Asaredonko's wall. So that research has been done. It's available to anybody, including Sammy and yourself.
And one more point for me to end up. Concerning the shutting down of the machines in Cape Coast, We did that today because we've realized it is something that is causing the diseases that Nanamiki has said it has caused a kidney failure to his brother. And then during those times, they knew it, but they didn't want to shut it down because they know Ghanaian people are going to talk about it and it's going to be added to their punishment. And it might be, if that was even added, it could have been 26%, not 38 points. Thank you.
Okay, so if the water is indeed better, all right, if the turbidity is as low as you say, then why is it that Ghana Water Company is making some ridiculous requests from Ghanaians? And we are to pay over 200% on it. I don't know if it's about the distribution or for treatment of water. I need to get that data as well. And earlier on, I think this was on the 10th or 3rd. When did President Mahama met with the journalists? I forgot. I think it was 10th September, right? Yeah. So Kojo Jansen also asked the president that the Ghana Water Resource Commission reported that the turbidity level of our water has gone up. So why is it that after the president responded, all of a sudden we have new figures or new values to justify that, yes, indeed, this government is doing better when it comes to managing Galamsey. And now we have some references or some data to support that, yes, our water is better. You understand? So I don't know if Mr. Freeman can respond to it or you wait for Ghana.
I mentioned earlier that I wanted to.
Okay, Ghana,
Okay.